Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Drew. I put up our Vegas through the years video today, but I haven't put up a cooking adventure in a while. So today I'm going to be making my own version of Hamburger Helper. So here are the ingredients. Hold on 1 second. Bang. Okay. So we have a can of tomato sauce. Usually you get a bigger can of mushrooms, but they only have the small one, so I bought 2 cans of these. Garlic powder and Italian seasoning. Now I have my hamburger and I have to cut up an onion. The onion's on the counter. You also have to add some cheese. You can use cheddar cheese, you can use sliced American cheese, you can, basically add any cheese you want that goes good with hamburger. And some rotini pasta, or you can use egg noodles or something like that. So, hold on 1 second. Here I am. Hello. Okay. I got my stand ready. It's a little shaky. Hold on. Okay. So now I'm going to go cut up my onion and put my hamburger in a pan. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. Okay, welcome back everybody. Here's the product. Now I've cut up the onion and put some hamburger in there. Now I'm going to drop some salt and pepper in there, just a little bit. Just a tad, not too much. So now I like salt and pepper, as you can see. Okay, give the counter, it's a little crap on you. Okay, so now just anybody can make this dish. I mean, this dish is like so easy and not very time consuming. It really is not, because the only thing that's time consuming is cutting up the onion. That's about it. And the onion only takes about 5 minutes, not even. If you know how to cut an onion, that is. Alright, so I'm just going to stir this up. I'm going to try not to scrape the pan, because people have told me that the pan makes a lot of noise when I scrape it. So I'm not going to scrape it that much today. I'm just going to keep turning this around. You have to at least brown the hamburger a little bit before you start adding ingredients. And you can probably put this on medium heat, maybe a little higher than medium if you want. Just turn it around. Okay, so when this is all done, I'm going to drain the fat and add my ingredients. So I will return then. Okay guys, see you then. Okay everybody, welcome back. Now hamburger has been browned, it's been drained of as much fat as I get out of it. Now we're going to add 1 can of tomato sauce. 2 small cans of canned mushrooms. There's 1. I like to drain the water out of them before I put them in there, because I'm going to add water to this anyway. And then just going to spread it out just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. Then we got to add some Italian seasoning. I eyeball it. I don't measure anything. Garlic powder. Some water. About a cup. Maybe a little more, depending. You put a little more if you want, which I'm going to do. Then you take some rotini pasta. You can use whatever kind you want, but I like rotini. Just put it in there. Maybe like half a box. What you like. Flatten it out a little bit, you know. Then you leave it on medium heat and you cover it up. I'm gonna rinse this off. Hold on. And some drain, and we put a cover on it. So now we put everything away. Throw everything away. Okay, so this should cook for about maybe 10-15 minutes. Keep an eye on it. Just make sure the pasta's soft when you get it out of there. Okay, so I'm going to be back when it's all done. Okay, guys. See you then. Okay, everybody. Here is the finished product. Homemade hamburger helper. Now, this took me about 40 minutes to make. That included chopping the onions, and it's super easy and really, really, really good. So thank you for joining me on another cooking adventure. This is a short video, but I hope you like it, and if you make the recipe, let me know if you like it. I might have added a little too much garlic powder, but you can adjust the ingredients to your liking. You can use whatever you want. You can use fresh mushrooms if you want. Okay, everybody. Welcome. Sorry. Thank you for joining me on another cooking adventure with Drew. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.